To connect a PS5 controller to your Samsung Galaxy M17e is easy. You're going to open up the Settings app, and then you're going to tap on Connections. Once you've selected Connections, choose Bluetooth, and then go ahead and put your PS5 controller in pairing mode. Doing so is fairly simple. You're going to press on the PS button as well as the share button for a couple of seconds until you see the lights underneath the main button here blinking. So PS, share, long press, wait for them to start blinking rapidly. And then once they do that, you can confirm that it's in pairing mode. So go ahead and go back to your Bluetooth settings and select scan. And once your controller has been detected, go ahead and select it. And then confirm that you wish to pair. By doing so, you should now be able to use your PS5 controller to navigate through your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.